18th Lok Sabha session commenced today. Sarbanand Sonowal takes oath in Assamese. Congress's Gaurav Gogoi takes oath in Assamese. Kiren Rijiju takes oath as member of 18th Lok Sabha. Today, the 18th Lok Sabha convened for its inaugural session, marking a significant milestone in India's parliamentary democracy. Eminent leaders such as Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh solemnly took oath as members of parliament. The ceremonial occasion also witnessed newly elected MPs, including those joining the Council of Ministers, affirming their commitments during the first sitting since the recent Lok Sabha elections. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, embarking on his third term, set a proactive tone from the outset. In a pre-session address to the media, he extended congratulations to the incoming MPs and underscored the government's dedication to inclusivity and consensus building for national progress. The Prime Minister's remarks included a candid critique aimed at the main opposition Congress, signaling a spirited start to parliamentary proceedings.
आज के इस महत्वपूर्ण दिवस पर मैं सभी नवनिर्वाचित सांसदों का हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं, सबका अभिनंदन करता हूं और सबको अनेक अनेक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। संसद का ये गठन भारत के सामान्य मानवीय के संकल्पों की पूर्ति का है। नए उमंग, नए उत्साह के साथ नई गति, नई ऊंचाई प्राप्त करने के लिए ये अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण अवसर है। श्रेष्ठ भारत निर्माण का, विकसित भारत 2047 तक का लक्ष्य, ये सारे सपने लेकर के, ये सारे संकल्प लेकर के आज 18वीं लोकसभा का प्रारंभ हो रहा है। विश्व का सबसे बड़ा चुनाव बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से, बहुत ही गौरवमय तरीके से संपन्न होना, ये हर भारतीय के लिए गर्व की बात है। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों के लिए गर्व की बात है।
Among the prominent leaders who affirmed their commitment to public service were Sarbanand Sonowal and Pavitra Margherita from Assam BJP, along with Gaurav Gogoi, Rakibul Hussain and Pradyut Bodoloi representing Assam Congress. From Tripura, Biplab Kumar Deb and Kriti Singh Dev Verma of BJP took their oaths as MPs, adding to the diverse representation in the lower house of parliament. The ceremony also saw the swearing-in of Kiren Rijiju and Tapir Gao from Arunachal Pradesh BJP, Salenge Sangma and Ripi AJ Singkon from INC in Meghalaya, Pu Richard of ZPM from Mizoram, and S. Supong Maran Zamir representing INC from Nagaland. On the other hand, two distinguished members of parliament from Manipur, Alfred Khan Gam Arthur from Outer Manipur and Angomcha Bimola Koizam from Inner Manipur, both representing the Indian National Congress, will solemnly take their oath on Tuesday. News Desk Report, Any News.